Arkwright makes a huge profit from his factory, and soon his success is the talk of your village and all the surrounding villages. By 1775, construction has started on 5 more factories. This completely changes the landscape around the river, as all of these factories need water to power the machines. The new owners of the factories are being called capitalists because they've had to put down a considerable amount of money, capital, to build the factories, install the water frames, import the raw materials, pay the factory workers an hourly wage, and turn a profit on top of all of this. By 1780, large numbers of unemployed farmers from your county and other counties have moved to your village to work in the newly built factories. Individual houses can't be built fast enough to house all of the new workers, nor do these factory workers have enough money to purchase or rent an entire home. Some capitalists devise a new way to make money. They begin converting public buildings or old farmhouses into apartment buildings, tenements. These buildings would house multiple families. With this large influx of people, more shops and services are needed. Add the following items to your drawing. You have 5 minutes to do this. Add 5 factories near the river. Add 5 new houses and 5 tenement, apartment, buildings. Add another store, an additional pub, and 1 more church. Make sure these new buildings are near the river to accommodate the growing number of factory workers. Add a school for the children of wealthy families slightly removed from the river and factories. Add new roads connecting factories, houses, churches, schools, and canals.